Creating a new Unity project is a fundamental step to start developing your own games or interactive applications. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a new Unity project from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening Unity Hub. First, you need to open Unity Hub, which we installed in the previous lesson. Step 2. Creating a new project. Click on the New Project button located on the top right corner of Unity Hub. This will bring up the New Project window. Step 3. Configuring the project settings. In the New Project window, you need to configure the project settings. First, give your project a name. I will call it Lesson 3. Specify the location where you want to save your project. I will choose a folder named Unity Projects inside a folder named Unity Course on my desktop. Next, choose a template for your project. Unity provides a variety of templates to choose from, such as 2D, 3D, and mobile. I will choose 3D. Finally, select the Unity version that you want to use for your project. If you have multiple versions of Unity instead, you can choose the one that is most appropriate for your project. I am going to select the latest available version for this project. Step 4. Creating the project. Once you have configured the project settings, click on the Create Project button to create your new Unity project. Unity will now create a new project and open the Unity editor. Step 5. Saving the project. Remember to save your project frequently as you work on it. To save your project, go to the File menu and select Save. You could also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl or Command on Mac and S to save your project. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new Unity project. In the next lesson, we will explore the Unity editor.